YouTube Shorts are making people tens of thousands of dollars for a lot of channels, and until recently it was super hard, but today I'm gonna show you an easy way to get millions of views on your YouTube Shorts and to make 6 figures a year with your Shorts channel. I have 3 YouTube channels with YouTube Shorts. This is one of them. You can see that many of my videos have had millions of views. For all 3 YouTube Shorts channels, I also run Instagram profiles, and from there I just repost YouTube Shorts. These are essentially re-uploads, just take from YouTube, re-upload to Instagram, and I also have had millions of views. From all of these, I've built almost 100,000 of email subscribers, and all of these helped me get hundreds of thousands of earnings on various platforms. So if you hear anyone say that there is no money in YouTube Shorts, I want you to understand that there is huge money to be made in YouTube Shorts. First of all, you'll want to pick a good niche for YouTube Shorts, and here on the screen you can see some suggestions for YouTube niches that are proven to do well. Today we're going to go with the example of a niche that talks about various websites and services people can use. Like this channel here, Tubemagic, you can see that he's actually posted a lot of videos that have done extremely well, and those types of videos are how to create the best videos. So like powerful websites you should know, Many of these types of videos get tens of millions of views. Look at all of these numbers of views. And the most awesome thing about this niche is that if you start typing that into YouTube search here, so see best websites to, there are so many people searching for best websites to do different things, so you can actually get ongoing search engine traffic as well. So that means completely passive views and passive earnings every single day. So you could type in 3 best websites, filter by shorts, and then check out all of these channels, and then basically create your own versions of these videos. And big thanks to Tubemagic for sponsoring today's video. If you want to grow your YouTube channel with long form or short form content, Tubemagic can definitely help you with that. Tubemagic does keyword research for you, and it helps you to search by search volume, competition, magic score, which automatically finds the best keyword for video ideas. It can also generate AI video ideas based on any channel. It will also help you write scripts and script outlines using AI. It can also help you optimize your videos instantly by placing unlisted video link over there, and it will generate the title, description, and optimized tags for you. The cool thing is that Tubemagic was actually made by a YouTuber, Matt Parr, who runs the Make Money Matt channel, who has got over 12 channels in total and has been doing YouTube since he was 14. There are a lot of big YouTubers that are using this tool, and if you guys want to try it out completely free, then check the link in the description below to get a free trial. So we've chosen our niche. Now let's choose the title for the first video. Personally, I like to target search keywords in my titles of my YouTube Shorts videos. And here is why. Look at this YouTube short, how much YouTube Shorts paid me for 1 million views. Virtually all of this traffic has been from search, YouTube Shorts earnings, YouTube Shorts monetization, and I have put all of these keywords into the description and the title of this video. And that's how it has had 1.3 million views, because people constantly every single day put those things into the search box of YouTube and they find my videos and they watch them. So for this niche, what you would do is type in best websites to, and this will give you hundreds and probably even thousands of ideas for videos targeting these things that people actually searching for. You've got all of these suggestions, and these are all real things that people search for every single day that YouTube is suggesting to you. So you can create a video about best websites to watch movies for free, best websites to make money, best websites to play games at school, best websites to create a logo. All of these ideas are real ideas that people search for. Then you can start typing in best websites to, then click A, and this will give you everything starting with A. Best websites to add subtitles to video, to apply for jobs, to analyze stocks, etc. Then once you've done with those, type in B, to buy different things, to C, to create a logo, create a website, to create a blog, cue a boredom, and so on. You can go through all of these letters one by one and create a ton of videos targeting every single one of these search terms. So let's say we wanted to make a video about best websites to create a logo, and this will be pretty great because we know it'll get a ton of views from search. So you could do that research. You can just type that into YouTube and then watch all these different videos, learn about different services that are available. You can also watch other shorts that are currently made on this keyword and watch those as well. And then basically create the script. So write about 150, 200 words that you can fit into a YouTube short video, because it's going to be under 60 seconds. If you do get the trial to Tubemagic, you can also use Tubemagic for that. So just go into video script, YouTube short. You can just tell it 3 best websites to create a logo, generate, and it'll actually write the script for you. Okay, so it's written about Canva, Luca, and Shopify. And guys, that's it. The hard part is done. Now you just need to film it and you can use your mobile phone, or even you can just record your screen. But basically, many of these videos, shorts, people love watching videos made by mobile phones. So you literally take your phone, start recording the video, and just use either an external microphone or just use your iPhone or mobile phone microphone, and then literally just record the screen like this. So see, I'm on Canva. So you would say, here are the 3 top websites to create a logo, and then you say number 1, Canva. Canva is a free logo maker. Go to canva.com and start designing your custom logo. So you just literally film that. Then you go number 2, something else. Number 3, something else. Record everything on your mobile phone. Then you can download CapCut, because CapCut is a free and a really good editor. And you can edit even on your phone with CapCut, or you can download it to your PC or your Mac. If you're not sure how to do this, just go and look how these people have actually made their videos. And if these videos have done well, you can do something similar. They're also likely to do well. To learn how to actually monetize the YouTube Shorts videos that you create, make sure to check the link in the description below. I've got a video there that deals with the whole monetization concept, explains exactly how I monetize YouTube Shorts videos. I teach many other cool strategies to make money in my community, to which you can get access for free. If you just go to fastervideos.com, you'll land on a page like this. Just enter your email, click this button, and then you'll get redirected to this page over here. And you can get access to the course for $0 on a 7-day trial. Just see if you like the course. The focus of this course is we're going to show you how to make 7-second videos. You don't even have to show your face for this, and get millions of views and generate tens of thousands of dollars per month. This is our proof. There is a ton more proof from our students as well. We've got students from the course making thousands of dollars in commissions. We've got students in the course getting tens of thousands of views, thousands of dollars in ad revenue, 40 million views and 50,000 subscribers in a few months. So what we show works, and if you'd like to grab access, just go to fastervideos.com, and from here you can get $0 trial on this course. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and after this, go ahead and watch this video next. This video will show you exactly how I monetize YouTube Shorts videos and how you can start doing the same, making money from your YouTube Shorts videos. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.